It's another day at Christoval Vineyards. This week, we're not working on the vineyards much at all. We're working on trees. It takes a lot to maintain all the trees on our property so that they don't crack and break and so that we maintain some of the natural beauty. It's a lot of work.
We normally prune trees in the fall, but this big daddy decided to come down in a recent windstorm. And we need to take care of him because if he falls through that other tree, he's going to take out a lot of vineyard vines. So if you're going to do this and you've got the lift, you might as well do the rest.
Hopping in a basket to go 45 feet in the air to trim some oak trees is not my definition of fun.
Once we finish pruning and come back and cleaned up all the brush, the area looks pretty good. And as a bonus, I've saved some vines right before harvest, and it looks like I'm even going to have a little bit of cordwood to sell.
What a majestic tree. But that branch is trouble. We're gonna have to take some weight off that branch. Took a little weight off there, opened it up a little bit. Now our next job is get some of these limbs hanging down that are dead. Clearing this up a little bit.
Path of destruction.
We took out a lot.
This is our entranceway to the tasting room. And this is where a lot of people park, whether it's to go to the tasting room or go to church on Sunday at the chapel. Branches that fall down here are really going to be trouble because they're going to hit somebody's parked car or cause some damage. So we really have to spend some time up in this area as well.